Oh, is that how it works?
Exactly.
Right beside me? Yeah. Yeah.
We've never done it like that.
There's her. There's her again.
Ooh.
I got it.
Yep. Over. Oh.
No! My bad on that 1 millimeter bump, bro. Fuck. Oh, I got it.
Play! Oh,
I can't play it? Fuck. I thought it resets. My bad. I didn't reset it?
fucking guy.
Fuck. Eric. Alright, lock in.
Come on, turn up!
Smack that.
I'm like, I looked it up. I don't need to touch it.
Service.
Fixed it, and then yeah, I see those videos.
Woo! That's scary.
He's out. No more of him.
I know, right? Oh shit!
Damn.
Knock that over.
Good. Who's there?
Middle. Set it. Oh yeah!
You okay? You okay?
Nice one.
I didn't know if I was gonna do it like short or high.
That's almost in my head.
Hey, turn up. Get ready, guys. Get it back. Who's second?
Left.
Nice. Yeah! Oh! Nice try.
I gotta get that press. I gotta go on the next one.
Oh. You're so right. Damn.
Yo.
There it is.
Ooh. That's nasty, bro. You did.
Yeah. There it is.
That's in.
All right, that's the way it goes. I'll give you some aces and then an out. Come on.
Sorry. I got your back.
Middle.
Over! Yeah, Nick!
Yay!
Eric. Middle? Did you get a middle one yet?
No, Eric faked me.
Nice. Oh!
Send me two more. I got two.
Ah,
Just like me.
good try.
I got my back.
Middle.
Over. Oh! Nice try. Yeah!
My spot.
My bad. That was gonna be you, right?
Yeah.
I got two.
Yeah. Woo! Good rally.
Oh no! Yo, where am I supposed to be positioned on defense? Middle? Okay.
Oh, on defense.
I came around.
Play middle block. Yeah.
Okay.
No, play middle block. Actually, at least look over here. But on receive, yeah, you're here.
Yeah, we're losing. Let's turn up.
Left.
Yeah!
Nice. Oh my god. Nice set.
That was beautiful.
Celebrating. Let's go.
I'm a crackhead, yo. That was a set, nice set though.
I was apt for the set. Nice. Tie game. Nice. Hey.
Yeah. Boom! Ah!
Good set.
Good swing.
Yes, yo. What you guys? Wait, are you there? Where the hell am I?
My bad. Ah! Wait, what?
I'm just loud. I'm so sorry. I think I threw her off. Oh, okay, you say. Say. Was it because I screamed?
Man, nice.
Huh? No, when she caught it. Because I screamed. I think, yeah.
Terry!
Yo! No, wait. I'm here? No, we're switching. Yeah, no, yeah.
Sir. Oh no! My bad. Fuck.
Get it back. Let's get it back. Wait. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Oh! That looked nice though.
Holy shit.
Good swing.
Holy
Good
shit.
swing.
I felt that one.
That's a good one.
It should have been higher though. It was low. Oh!
Stay on your toes.
Yeah, get it back. Let's win this game.
Tie game.
Let's win this game. Let's win this game.
Eric Ski. Yeah! That was beautiful, bro.
Nice. Oh. Yeah.
Oh! Oh, that
I'm so
Good hustle. Good hustle.
I'm so awkward. Sorry. Awkward. Damn it, that was my fault. All right, I'm gonna close it out. Service.
Nasty.
I'm closing it out right now. I'm closing it out right now.
Close it out.
There it is.
Damn. How do you receive that, bro?
There it is.
Why are you feeding the camera after you said that, bro?
Guys, I'm so ugly. I'm so ugly. Should have gamed that. I got your back.
Alright, let's go.
Right
Close
back.
it out. Middle.
Yo, finish it. Finish it.
Take it away, Terry.
Ball, 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 ball.
Here we go. I got 2.
All right. Boom that.
Damn. Yeah, that's my bad.
No, that's good.
That was sexy. That was sexy. That was so sexy.
I wanted that to go straight down. You wanted it. I did.
My bad. Finish the game. My bad.
Lock it, serious.
Fuck.
Right.
Oh. Okay, yo.
Is that it?
Almost.
Okay, yo.
Serious.
Is that? Okay, yo. Okay, we're choking. One point.
It was out.
It was out. Boom that, Eric.
Over.
Oh, yes.
That's what's going
I
on.
know, that was going out.
That was scary.
Jess is gonna get it. Good job, good try.
Good game.
Good game, guys.
Game.
Good game. Oh, thank God. We almost choked at the end. Yo, how is my hair messed up?
Nah.
Shut up.
It is.